Hi everyone and welcome to Teacher Gully Library. My name is Seleena and today I'm here to talk to you about the PressReader app. If you haven't heard of PressReader before, basically it's a really good app that you can use to borrow newspapers or also magazines. So to start off with today, I'm just going to show you how to download the app onto your device. So I've got an iPad in front of me, which is an Apple device. So for me, I'm going to jump over to the App Store, which is right here. But if you've got an Android device, you're going to look for the app that says Play Store. So just jumping onto that. And the easiest thing for me to do is just to search and then type in PressReader. Oops. And then just go search. Great, so the first thing that has come up is PressReader, which is this one here that we want. So you can see here there's a little cloud with an arrow pointing down, which is indicating that you can download it. So I'm going to click on that. But if you have an Android device, you probably won't have this little icon. It will probably just say download or install, and you can just click on that. So I'll click on that one. Great, so now that it's changed to say open, I'm just going to hit open. And then this is the PressReader app. This is what it looks like. So the first thing that might pop up is just asking if you want to be notified when things come up. So I'm just going to hit maybe later, but you can allow for notifications. Great, and then there's also this pop-up where you can select some publications straight away. You can scroll through there. For the time being, I'm just going to exit that one though with the cross. Great. So I think the first thing I would recommend you do is to sign in. So as you can see on the bottom left-hand side, there's this little icon that says sign in. So I'm going to tap on that one, and I'm also going to hit on libraries and groups right here. So here it's just asking us to search for our library. So just going to hit that. And you might get this pop-up as well. So I'm just going to go allow, and that's just allowing it to access my location, and it will help me find what library I'm looking for quicker. So you can sort of scroll through here and find your library, but I'm just going to search because that one might be a little bit quicker, and I'm going to search South Australia. There we go, and that's the first one that's come up, Library, South Australian Public Library Network. So I'm going to hit on that one. Cool, and then this is where it's asking you for your library card details. So I'm going to put in the library card number, which is the one underneath the barcode of my library card, and I'm going to put that all in. And then your PIN is a 4-digit PIN, so normally if you don't know your PIN, you can try the last 4 digits of your phone number. But if that doesn't work, then you can always give us a call at Teacher Gully Library, and we're more than happy to help you out and reset your PIN for you. This next section is wanting you to sign up an email address to your account. So I'm just going to type in my email address, and I'd like you to do the same with yourself. And then you'll set yourself a password as well. Great, so once you've agreed to that and you've put in an email address and password, you should get back to the home screen here, and you can see that I'm logged in to browse. Cool, so this is a section where you can navigate through the app, scrolling through. We've got the top magazines here. You can also find your categories listed here, so if I want to find things related to animals and pets. I can also narrow it down to just Australia, and I might go modern dog. And from here, I might just read for a bit. Great, so it's from here I should be able to swipe across and go through the pages. Great. If I want to get out of the big screen, I just need to tap and it takes me to these other options. So I can hit back and back again, and I might go browse again. So at the bottom here you can see there's a magazines button and a newspaper button and Australia. So that's where I can determine what do I want to read. If I just want magazines, then I'll just hit magazines there, and I've got a whole lot of options I can pick. So maybe I'm interested in reading Vogue, and then the latest editions on the right hand side. So this one says March 2020, but maybe I'm particularly interested in what they wrote in November. You know, maybe there's a particular article I want to read, which I know was in their November edition, and then I'll just go read. And again, just scrolling through, you can go through the app, you can go through the magazine. And these are it at the bottom if you just want a quick view of what's to come.